Hello everyone, today we are going to do the simplify, in which the question is rationalize 12 upon root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. So how to rationalize if the question is in the denominator is the irrational numbers. So we will do the rationalization method. We are using the rationalization method in which we will rationalize the denominator. So in this question you can see root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. This question is 12 upon root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. So we will make the bracket, we will divide these three terms in two parts, like 12 upon root 5 plus root 3. This one is the first part, and this root 2 is the second part of the denominator. Now the rationalization is easy. How? This plus sign is converted into the negative sign. So it will be a negative root 5 plus root 3. Bracket we will apply, and this plus sign is converted into the negative sign, minus root 2 upon root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2. After that, 12 multiplied by these full term, 12 multiplied by this full term, so we are using this bracket, and in the denominator this multiplied by this full numerator. So we will write for in this step as it is, and in the denominator we will apply the identity a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This identity we will apply in the denominator. So your a is root 5 plus root 3 and b is root 2. So root 5 plus root 3 square minus root 2 square. Then after that we will not multiply each and every terms with 12. Just write and you can see the denominator is a plus b whole square. We are using again identity a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is root 5 square. B square is root 3 square plus 2ab, 2 root 5 into root 3 minus this root 2 square is 2. This root 2 square is 2. Okay. Now after that 12 root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2, and in the denominator you can see this root 5 square. So root 5 square means, what do you understand by this root 5 square? Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5 2 times. It will be a 5. So it is 5. Again similarly root 3 square is the 3 plus 2. Root 5 into root 3 is root 15 minus 2. Now we will solve this, the denominator and numerator. We will not disturb the numerator. We will write just as it is, because this 12 is cancelled by the denominator. If you see which term you will get by the denominator, 5 plus 3 is the 8. 8 minus 2. 5 plus 3 is the 8. Okay. 5 plus 3 is the 8. 8 minus 2 is the 6. Minus 6 plus 2 root 15. Okay. Now after that this denominator we will write again same, and here you can see 2 is the common. So 2 3 is 6 root 15. 2 will take out the 2 common. So it will be cancel out 6 times. 6 inside is root 5 plus 3 minus root 2 upon 3 okay. Now you can see 12 is reduced by the 6 times. Now we have this much term. So you can see in the denominator again we have a irrational number. So we will do again rationalization method. So apply the rationalization, we will multiply it. 3 plus root 15, just opposite sign, 3 minus root 15 upon 3 minus root 15. So now again we will do the multiplication. So this portion multiply by this. So we will not multiply it. Again we will write as it is, this term, and this term is multiplied by this term. So let's see, after a few steps we will multiply it. So right now we will write as it is, and again we are using the identity a plus b and a minus b. So it will be a 3 square minus, it will be a minus root 15 square, a square minus b square. Okay, now you can see this term 6 we will write again as it is. So and this one upon 3 square is the 9 and root 15 square is the 15. Now you can see 9 minus 15 is 9 minus 15 is minus 6, because negative sign is in front of the greater number, so your sign is the minus. Now this 6 and 6 cancel out by minus 1 time. Okay, so you can say this 12 reduced by 6, then reduced by denominator is by minus 1. So we have only this much term in the numerator, so our denominator is totally removed. Now see, after that we have a minus 1 only here. Okay, and numerator is, we will write this numerator again. So that we will multiply carefully. So this 3 multiplied by this root 5, it is 3 root 5, and this 3 multiplied by this 3, it is 3 root 3. This 3 multiplied by root 2, 3 root 2. Now turn off the minus 15. Minus 15 multiplied by 5 is, it is minus 5 and minus 15. So be careful with this, how to multiply it. See, root 5 multiplied by root 15. So root 5, can we write this root 15 is root 3 and root 5? If you multiply root 3 and root 5, you will get again root 15, 3 5s are 15. So you can see root 15, instead of root 15 we will write root 3 into root 5, and this root 5 and this root 5 will make a 5 root 3. Okay, so we will write directly here 5 root 3. See, if you multiply root 15 into root 5, you will get this one, and this portion we will write 5 root 3. Now root 15 multiplied by root 5, then next is root 15 multiplied by root 3. Same, root 15 multiplied by root 3, so we will write in the rough portion root 15 multiplied by root 3, and root 15, can we write this root 15 root 5 into root 3 into, it is root 3. Okay, sorry, root 15 equals to root 5 into root 3. So you can see root 3 and root 3, again it will make a 3 and 3 root 5. So we will write here, if root 15 multiplied by root 5, we will get this. If root 15 multiplied by root 3, sign is in negative, so it will be a 3 root 5. Then if root 15 multiplied by root 2, minus minus plus, so root 2 and root 15 is 15 to the 30. Okay, now you can see this 3 root 5 and 3 root 5, positive and negative, it will be cancel out. So remaining portion is 3 root 3, 3 root 2, 5 root 3. You will write here 3 root 3, 3 root 2, 5 root 3 and plus 30. So it is a final answer? No. You can see this and this. This root 3 and root 3 are the same. So we will subtract the coefficient. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 root 3. Okay. And so the remaining is minus 3 root 2 plus root 30. One more thing. You can see here the denominator is nothing. There is no value. One value is nothing. But you can see the 1 is the negative. So do not forget to this minus 1. We will write down at the end this minus 1. Okay. So we will solve first the numerator. So numerator is solved. Almost numerator is solved. So we will write here the denominator is minus 1 is remaining. Okay. So after that this minus 1 sign goes up in numerator portion. So this minus sign will change the numerator sign. Okay. So this minus minus plus 2 root 3 and it is plus 3 root 2 and it is minus root 30. So this is our answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.